Okay, you let it go now. That's brilliant. Let's put that in a bag so we don't lose the footrest.
Do better lights in here, really, can't you?
Sorry?
Do better lights in here, really.
Do better lights?
Yeah.
These want to be gone.
Yes, they do.
And we need some more panel lights.
Yeah, because I was looking at the flashing on the camera.
Yeah, it's driving me. It drives everything mad.
Yeah.
Doesn't it? So I think when we get back from holiday, I have to have a word with Dave and get some more ordered, I think.
Yeah, they're nice and bright. They just flash on here.
Ah, it's terrible, aren't they?
Yeah, they're flickering all the time.
I think what I'll do is I use those these in that workshop because they've got the old tubes in them.
Yeah.
So, and I think Steve wants one as well at some point, so he can have the other one.
What's he got in his? Has he got LED panels?
Yeah, we put 3 LED panels in,
Right.
and it really has sort of transformed his working area. Kickstart. Dum. Oh. Lordy. Right, I wonder if I can have a flathead screwdriver. These are, or were, an absolute pig to deal with. Because they're so flipping hard. The rubber boots get very hard, and well, you can see that one. I think that one's split. Ooh, bigger screwdriver than that. Got 2 chances and it's bound to be the wrong one.
So what we're doing.
There's one screw.
Whereabouts?
Just there.
Oh.
That holds the holds it on the bottom. There you go. Right screwdriver, right job. And it's a special one, look. It's got a little...
Not collar on it?
Yeah, and a hair.
Alright, it's not mine.
Not all mine either. It's far too long. Oh, there's 2. Oh, do you know, I only thought there was 1.
Twins.
Twins, yeah. I know it should look really. Can't flipping see.
It's very difficult.
It is very difficult. I think that might be a Phillips actually. It can't be. Where's me light? You got a light, boy.
No, you haven't. I've not seen it. Okay.
That is a slot.
Quite easy to do it in this side, you know. We've got it.
Yeah. There's one out. Right, those bits in there. Put all those in there. And that's I think you nearly have to, if I remember correctly.
They say it's a tight fit in there.
Yeah, it comes out when you put the engine out.
Oh, right.
So, it's always a good idea to turn your phone off, David, when you're filming. One of those is
One of the boots.
eh?
One of the boots, you mean the rubber?
Yeah, boots is good.
You do replace both of them.
Yeah, I think we have spares. I know it's a miracle.
But can you find them?
Yes. Don't look at me like that. As if to say, oh, I believe you, but not.
Well, usually you lose things. You know you've got them, you just can't find them. You've got so much stuff. You're going to prove me wrong, aren't you? Congratulations. I'm impressed.
Slug mode?
Right then, where are the couple of calendars that we've lost over the
Oh
years?
God, that's your fault.
Why?
Well, because they're in a calendar cupboard.
We haven't got a calendar cupboard. What we did with them.
Yeah, we're not the best when it comes to calendars, are we?
No, we buy them well in advance, put them away nicely, and then you can't find them really.
Ever.
I think we found one a couple of years on. It's not very helpful.
No, it isn't. Right, so that definitely is stator. Right, what did I do? That's there. Stator wire, which is,
What's a stator wire?
well, it comes from the stator, from the ignition side.
Still none the wiser, but anyway.
Well, it don't matter whether you're all wise or not.
Not really, because I'm not doing it. It's another corroded one.
Could be. Flipping Ada. Oh, there you go, that's not corroded.
No, just very tight.
Just very, very tight.
Yeah, it's nice and clean.
Yep. Yep, so that comes down here, that's that way. Right. I think, I'm not sure if they come out as singles. Yes, they do. Right, so we need to so if I pull these out, so you can never do. think we need a drawing of some sort. I say most of these I think are not going to be used. So, but that doesn't matter, does it? How many wires have we got in there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that is red. LED. Is that the next one black?
Yeah. Terribly unsure about that colour.
Another black one.
That's what's in them. I'm not sure we don't have two black.
Yeah, you could do. And then pink. Yeah, pink. What's the next one up? Green.
Yeah.
And then black.
And then black, black, red.
So
Do you need to label the two blacks then?
I think what we'll do is we'll label that. Where does that go? Oh, that goes back up there again. You never do. Right, okay, that's the pink wire there. And it goes into the loom and goes up that way. Better mark it up. So if I do that black and pink, so that's pink and black linked.
Yep.
Yeah.
Pink and the first black under the red is linked.
Yeah. That should be all right now because we know that, don't we?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. That's red, black. Oh, let's see if we can extract a few more wires out of here. Really? That one's out of there now. Yeah. What is this white wire? It's an earth wire, that is. That's been added on. Isn't it?
Maybe they had an earth problem.
Yes. Yes. Oh, always. Always, always, always.
It's still attached through there.
Yeah, it's attached to whatever that is down there.
Yeah.
Let me take that out as a lump. Ooh, that's been, it's got a knot.
Well, I know it's got problems because it don't run. I mean, somebody's had it apart, couldn't get it back, you know, running, and just did what they thought and then left it because it just couldn't be bothered.
Yeah.
Gave up.
Give up. Well, to be honest, they are. I'm not bothered about that one. I know it's an earth wire. So it goes to all those earthy wires. Where's that one go? Is that onto there? Yeah, on there. This one's always a pig to do as well because it's a brake light switch. Not the brake light switch, you flipping moron. It's the. It's splitting there. No. It's the neutral light switch. sort that out in a bit. Dancy.
Does that mean anything to you?
Absolutely not a flipping clue.
Okay.
To be fair, anyway, I think we'll have the gear lever off next. We need to go in and check the
fire.
We'll get this off and then I'll just nip and do that. I'll be back. That's the lovely stuff.
I was going to say you are not Schwarzenegger.
I'll be back in a minute with. Okay, is the speakers working?
Yes.
Huh?
What's that? You lost something?
No, I've never seen those before on any of the others.
Oh, so what is it? It's not a screw then?
No, it's just a little spacer.
Okay. Fair enough.
Put them in there. That's going to have to go away and be chromed.
Yeah, I think we've got a lot of those bits, haven't we?
Yeah. Which is okay. We don't want it to be rough, do we? Oh, that's the wrong one. And so's that one. It's always a good idea to get the right. That's the one. Nearly blood.
Oh no, you're always doing something like that.
Well, it's got a brand new clutch cable on it, which is good.
Somebody has tried, haven't they?
Yeah. I mean, they're not cheap.
Just trying to see what we're talking.
It was the last time the green one.
Yes.
The inlet manifolds here, the gaskets that hold it together were actually trapped inside the holes, blocking the fuel going into them.
Right.
So that was never going to go. There we are. Somebody's been in there and that's clean. So yeah, that's pretty good.
What's that thing?
That's the rotor.
Okay.
Oh no.
Not having it yet.
No, got to take that out. Which is the left counter cable. Which the green bike didn't have either. We had to go and get one made.
Okay. Is that the one we got made in Lincoln?
Yeah. The aptly named carrot cycles. Hey?
Yeah. I've forgotten what it was called.
Yeah. It's not one you'd forget, is it, carrot?
Well, I did.
Well, yeah.
I'm not into motorbikes at all.
Oh, yes, you are.
Oh, no, I'm not. I think the panto season's finished by now, isn't it?
Oh, no, it isn't. Oh, look at that.
Air filter.
Air filter. A brand new one, Sue.
Oh.
Wow.
Well, that's brilliant.
It is. Very exciting news. Oh, you flip me. Flip, 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 flip. Need to take off the... There'll be people out there going, oh, no, you don't.
Oh, hold that up there. You don't want to go mucky. Too mucky.
Are you actually recording this properly? Just sort of waving the camera about.
Don't make me laugh or you won't get anything.
Steve says you're the best camera woman.
He hasn't got much experience of many then, has he?
No, he's a camera woman.
Because I'm the only camera woman you use, of course.
Yeah, these little gaskets here, on the first one we did, were actually sort of trapped in there like that. They were all sort of like that. Yeah, not good.
No. They're very flimsy things.
Yeah, they are.
You're struggling with that.
Yeah, I am actually. I'm making a right blooming meal of it.
Yay!
Yay, we'll get them out in a minute. Look at that! I knew I could do it. Right, I'll take the other one off and put both those in a bag.
Yeah.
It's I enjoyed this. You know, taking things to bits. Knowing the full fact that sometimes I can't get them back together again. I remember getting I think it was one of my first sort of motorbikes that I had for running around the field on where we used to live, and it was a 197 James, something like that. But most probably wasn't. And after a while, it gave up the ghost. We couldn't get gears for it, so I decided. I must have been only about 11 or something like that, and decided that I was going to take it to bits. And I took the clutch cover off and what have you. It all looked fairly sensible in there, and then split the engine and the gearbox fell to bits. And I think most of it was went down the scrap man. Yeah, I've got a little bit better since then.
You've had a bit more practice since you were 11.
Not a huge amount.
What, not a huge amount of practice?
No.
Well, not a huge amount better?
No, well, not better, I think is the word.
You've had loads of practice.
Yeah. This is supposed to be only a 15-minute video.
You're probably up to about, what, 45 minutes? I don't know.
Really? As long as that?
I've got no idea, actually. We've not got a lot of battery left, to be fair.
Am we? Oh no. Flip out. Well, when the,
Just going too slow.
when the battery goes flat, that's it. We'll call it a night.
Yeah, and we'll finish off.
Yeah, tomorrow.
Yeah.
Tell me when we're getting near the end. How much have we got left?
I haven't got my glasses.
Oh, flipping Ada. Shouldn't have asked really, should I?
No, it's not looking hopeful.
Is it?
It's in the red.
Well, I'll tell you what then.
Yeah.
Let's get off there, get off there, get off there. Let's put those over here. So, right, okay folks. Susie's killed the battery on the camera. So we're going to go and charge the battery up and do whatever we've got to do, and we'll have another play tomorrow.
Yeah.
So hopefully have a full battery.
I need tea anyway.
And turn the flipping phone off, you do not. So yeah, because otherwise it keeps going bling 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 bling. So right, anyway, thanks for watching. See you again tomorrow, where we're going to get the engine out and finish off taking it to bits. So say bye bye, Susie.
Bye bye, Susie.
Bye bye everyone. See you tomorrow. Bye.